What we have here is a pump and panel replacement that I completed. Got the weep hole firing off there. We got another view. This is what it used to be. Just an old plugger box that had just a hardwired electrical core female into it that was arcing and throwing sparks and melting, and it just wasn't good or safe. So here at Safari we replaced that for them. We got them completely updated and upgraded with the full control panel that has auto and manual switch, an actual audible and visible alarm, and now they're functioning properly and they don't have to worry about a fire hazard or their system not functioning the way that it should.